Suffering from ankle sprains, swelling, tendinitis, instability, or arthritis. Use UM Anklet Comfort 2N, 1 pair, for stabilize weak ankles for daily confidence. Let's see how to wear this product. Measure circumference approx 2 inches above the inner ankle joint. This is Anklet Comfort, soft, available in a pair, and stretchable for everyday comfort. Slip your foot into the Anklet Comfort and pull it up over your ankle. Wear the support on the other ankle in the same way. Provides gentle support and a comfortable fit, helping you stay active with confidence. Thanks for watching.